Friends, there is a good news for students. As we know that SBI General Insurance Company Limited has created a new scholarship program especially available for the students who are badly affected by coronavirus pandemic. There are a lot of students who have suffered very badly due to the COVID-19 situation going on around our country and not able to continue their education due to the lack of financial fund. But now the students from class 9 to 12 or undergraduate course will be able to get financial support under the scholarship program SBI General Suraksha Support Scholarship 2021-22. Now what the students has to do? They need to visit the official website of Buddy for Study by simple clicking the given link, and then the guidelines related to the scholarship will be displayed on the screen. So it's very simple to apply. Now we should know what are the criteria or eligibility to apply for this scholarship program. So let's know the criteria. The scholarship is open for Indian nationals only. The scholarship is only available for the students who have been through any of the following crises: either lost their parents, earning family members since January 2020, or earning family member lost job, employment during the COVID-19 pandemic. The applicant must be studying in class 9 to 12 or any undergraduate general or professional courses. The applicant should be currently enrolled, and their family income must not be more than 6 lakhs per annum. Now what are the documents required? The passport size photograph, the Aadhaar card, the family income proof, either salary slip, Form 16 income certificate, mark sheet of the previous educational qualification, current academic year admission proof, fees receipt, proof of the crisis, either death certificate of the parent or loss of jobs or certain things, reference from a person who knows the family crisis. That referent person may be a school teacher or head of the school, college, government. Now what the benefit the student will get? From 9 to 12, the student will get annually 29,500 per annum, and for graduation courses the student will get 38,500 per annum. So it's a big amount and very great help for the students. Now what are the points we should remember? The applicant must check their eligibility criteria before applying the scholarship. Applicants are requested to apply before the last time or last date, that is 31st October, to avoid any mishappening, and he or she must keep all the documents ready before applying. Applicant must have a valid and active mobile number and email ID. Now how will the authority will select the candidates for a scholarship? The selection of the beneficiary will be done on the basis of academic merit and financial background. A telephonic interview may also take place for the sorted candidates. Is there any renewal possible? Yes, renewal is possible depending on their performance in the academic year. What are the procedure for getting the scholarship in the scheme? The scholarship will be transferred to the bank account of the beneficiary annually after verification of their academic grades. So I hope this information will benefit the students. Thanks for watching and kindly share to others.